We have been striving to explore engaging audio presentation methods, as auditory experience without visual can lead to monotony, while an excessive reliance on visuals risks diminished perception of sound. We have incorporated traditional VFD into our products, creating a cutting-edge yet understated aesthetic. The VFD screen displays the rhythm of sound and the passage of time, complemented by vibrant ambient lighting, providing you with a unique listening experience. Luna Audio utilizes the same acoustic units as Samsung TV, paired with acoustic algorithms and expert tuning by top-notch acousticians, leaving a lasting impression with its exceptional sound quality. By combining timeless design with modern functionality and a tech-inspired aesthetic, along with premium fabric materials, Luna Audio seamlessly fits into any corner of your home, exuding a contemporary and homely feel. Its exquisite handle makes it a perfect portable device, and with a large 4,790 mAh battery, it offers over 8 hours of audio playback, alleviating any concerns about battery life when taking it on the go. The refined knob enhances the product's high-end appeal, featuring 3 playback modes, Bluetooth pairing for quick audio playback, as well as AM and FM radio. The tuning knob allows you to select your preferred audio programs and includes an automatic station search function, ensuring encounters with excellent audio content. Our ongoing endeavor has been to seamlessly integrate technology with fun. Luna Audio, we proudly present you the ultimate solution.